Well, hello and welcome back to Teacher Kenny's Say With Me Pronunciation video course. Man, that's a mouthful. Holy cow. Now today we're going to work on some more special sounds, and today's sound is going to be this OAR sound. Words that have OR or OAR have this very strong R sound. Now that's one thing you're going to notice about American English especially, is that anything that has a R in it is going to be really strong. R is the loudest consonant in English, and we really use R a lot. So I want you to get accustomed to hearing, me saying words like bored, and I hope you're not bored. I hope you're having fun with the lesson. So listen to the vocabulary and just repeat after me, and we'll have a lot of fun with this one. And you'll start, as you mimic me and say with me, your R's are going to be much stronger, okay? And that will also make your English very, very clear. So anyhow, let's continue here and get ready for some vocabulary. All right? Okay. Okay, so here we are with the special sounds of OR. And these are words that have either OR or OAR in them. The main thing that you will get out of this is learn how to use that R sound strongly. In American English, the R you can hear very clearly, and the British English can be a little bit weaker with the use of R. American English is very strong. And let's look at line 1, and the first word is bored, and you can hear that R sound, bored. 4, store, or. See how strong the R sound is? So just repeat after me and work on getting your R strong. In America, we often call them hard R's. So line number 2, more, bore, torn. Now hear that? Torn. And you got to make sure and say the N. Force. Line number 3 is a name. Thor. Hoard. Morning. Sort. Okay, moving on to line number 4, war, vortex, board, tort. Line number 5, course, pork, north, born. And our last line number 6, shore, horse, score. And the very last one is a girl's name, Nora. Nora. All right, let's look for some sentences here. Okay, we have 5 sentences, as you see. And keep in mind the big, strong R sound is what lets these words come through. So sentence 1, we bought fresh pork at the store. Let me say it again. We bought fresh pork at the store. Sentence number 2. Nora is hoarse this morning. Nora is hoarse this morning. Sentence number 3. Thor, do you know your test score? All right, let me say it again. Thor, do you know your test score? Sentence number 4. The lark was born to soar far. The lark was born to soar far. And our last sentence, sentence number 5, he came from the north, born near the shore. All right, let me say this one again. He came from the north, born near the shore. So this concludes our OAR sounds. And just remember, say them strong. Practice, practice, practice. I can't say that enough. And get these sounds right. And some languages, the R is not as strong as the American English. But if you practice, you'll become much better and you'll sound very clear. So that's it for today's lesson. And we'll see you next time. See you later.